Ah, yes, Light Warrior. Are you worthy? Are you worthy, Light Warrior? Of course you're worthy, Light Warrior, because the power has been inside of you all along. You see, there are important lessons that are part of these tales of superheroes, and we could apply these lessons to our everyday lives. Understanding 3 energetic lessons of Thor Ragnarok. Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on the evolutionary journey. Thor Ragnarok gave us 3 important energetic lessons. Consciousness is embedded in these movies and tales of superheroes. These tales are not about fictional characters, but these are energetic lessons that can be applied to our everyday lives. And Thor Ragnarok taught us many important lessons for our journey and the time period that we are all living in today. Ragnarok is the Armageddon. The Armageddon that we are all part of now. The event, the collapse of societal structures. So when Ragnarok comes, or Armageddon comes, it might not be Armageddon for us, but for the lower vibrations that have been controlling the reality or the society for thousands of years. So Ragnarok was known to come, and it was these people, including Thor, that actually brought Ragnarok upon Asgard. Ragnarok, the theme, is the time period that we are living in now. The theme of Armageddon. But Armageddon is not to be feared. It is a cleansing. It is a cleansing of the society. And Ragnarok brought the destruction of Asgard. But these societal structures must be cleared away to make room for higher vibrational societal structures and a higher vibrational society. So the movie itself, Ragnarok, teaches us energetic lessons about this time period that we live in. Another important lesson that was shared in Thor Ragnarok. Upon the decision to destroy Asgard and bring forth Ragnarok, and people were worried about this time period of Ragnarok. Asgard is not a place, but a people. Asgard is not a place, but a people. You see, that's an important life lesson, an important energetic lesson, the importance of people, because that's all that matters in this reality, are all the people and the energy that operates these people in our reality. The people are all that matters, not the possessions, not all these fancy structures. Use this as a lesson, Light Warrior. Picture you're given a grand mansion with all these rooms filled with all this fancy, expensive stuff. And you're in this mansion in all of these rooms, and you look around, but there's no people in this mansion. There's no love. These possessions, these structures are truthfully worthless, because the only thing that matters are our people. Asgard is not a place, it is a people. And the only thing that matters is the love of our people. And this was an important lesson in Thor Ragnarok, to understand that these structures mean nothing. And the only thing that matters are our people. So you could remove all the possessions, you could remove everything, strip everything down to the core energy, and that's all that matters. The energy from within. All of our people. Because if you are sitting in that vast mansion all alone, even with all these fancy things, without any people or any love, this mansion and these possessions are worthless. Asgard is not a place, it's a people. And the third life lesson, energetic theme from Thor Ragnarok is the most important of this whole story. On Thor's journey, he lost faith in himself. It happens to all of us, light warriors. We lose faith in ourselves. And on Thor's journey, he didn't have his hammer. And he was beaten. And he lost faith in himself. And his father came to him, Odin. And this was the lesson of this story. Odin looked at him and he said, "Son, you're not the god of hammers. You're the god of thunder." And then he believed in himself. And he was able to channel this electricity into his body without the use of the hammer and destroy evil. We don't have to externalize our power. Just like Odin reminded Thor that he was not the god of hammers. He was the god of thunder. Technically, he was the god of electricity because electricity causes thunder and a lightning bolt. But I digress, right? He had the ability. The power came from within, and he was able to channel that energy and defeat evil. My old man taught me. He said, "Son, you could accomplish anything that you put your mind to." My father's kind of like Odin, right? But I'm here to share with all of you light warriors that each and every one of you can accomplish anything that you put your mind to. These are the energetic lessons in these stories of these superheroes. Because these tales are not about these superheroes. These tales are about us. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious that the power lies inside of you. Be conscious that this reality is not about the place, it's not about the possessions, but it's about the people. And use these to raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. I am Michael. Find us in the 5th dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. Possessions, they're nice to have, and they could amplify our energy. But truthfully, the energy lies inside of each and every one of us. Sometimes we need to learn to let go and make space for so much more. Because when we hold on to things, we don't have the ability to grab hold of other things. So let's put this hammer down, because I'm not the god of hammers. I'm the god of electromagnetism. And light warrior, so are you. If you've stumbled across this message and you find this message inspiring, why don't you click the subscribe button, give the video a like so it becomes visible to more people, and please share this message with at least one other person, because if everyone shares with one other person, we could rapidly grow our 5D community. Remember that the power lies inside each and every one of you. Possessions are worthless because in this universe, it's energy, frequency, and vibration. Have a nice day. Namaste.